Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to walk you through something really exciting, the ATH Hackathon platform, built by ATHENURA. And honestly, the moment you land on this website, you just feel it. It's clean, it's bold, and it tells you exactly what it's about. Compete, build, and win together. So on the homepage, you've got everything laid out right in front of you. You can find hackathons happening right now, build your dream team, stay updated with live notifications, and yes, win some really big prizes. That's not a small community, that's a movement. Means, oh, there's something for everyone here. Artificial intelligence, health tech, fintech, gaming, space tech, and so many more. Whatever you're passionate about, there's a hackathon waiting for you. The platform also has some amazing testimonials from real users, developers, students, professionals, all sharing how ATH Hackathon changed their game. That trust speaks for itself. Moving on to the About page, and the headline says it all. Everything you need all in one platform. This platform is designed for three kinds of people: participants, organizers, and institutions. And it covers the entire life cycle. We're talking end to end life cycle management from the moment a hackathon is created all the way to certificate generation. You've got solo and team modes for flexible registration, multi-role access with separate portals for participants, judges, and admins. Whole. Then there's judging and scoring, auto certificates, and even payment integration built right in. Everything is handled. You don't need five different tools. It's all here. Now let's talk about how participants actually use this platform. The process is super straightforward. Step 1. Sign up or log in. Create your account with your email or OAuth. No approvals needed, instant access. Step 2. Browse hackathons. Explore active and upcoming hackathons filtered by theme, date, fee, or university. Step 3. Register solo or as a team. Join individually or form a team by inviting teammates via link or username. Step 4. Pay the entry fee. Secure checkout through Razorpay, UPI, card, net banking, and you get an instant confirmation email. Step 5. Submit your project. Upload your code link, demo video, and presentation deck before the deadline. And step 6. Get your certificate. Download your signed participation or winner certificate with QR code verification. Done. Now on the hackathons page, you can see all the live, upcoming, and finished hackathons in one place. You can filter by stage, mode, solo, or team and explore the prize pools and participant counts. Right now, there are live sprints running with real prize money up for grabs. So, if you're watching this, there's probably something going on right now that you should be a part of. And if you ever need help or want to reach out, the contact page has you covered. You can connect directly via email, phone number, or just send a message. All right, now let's do a full walkthrough together from zero to participant. Start by clicking sign up. You'll fill in your personal details, your academic details, set a strong password, and hit create account. Right after that, you'll get an OTP on your registered email. Enter it to verify, and you're in. Now you're at the dashboard. This is your personal command center. You can see how many hackathons you've joined, submissions you've made, your best rank, and your certificates all at a glance. Let's browse and join a hackathon. Once you find one you like, you can go through all the details, the overview, rules, timeline, price structure, and the judging criteria. Take your time here, understand what the judges are looking for, and then hit participate. Now, if you're an Athenura intern, here's a cool perk. Enter your intern ID and you get a discount on the entry fee. Nice touch, right? Then choose your mode: solo, join an existing team, or join with a team code and continue to payment. The payment experience is smooth and secure, powered by Razorpay. You've got UPI, card, QR code, multiple options, make your payment, and boom, you're redirected to a success page confirming your transaction. Head back to the dashboard and you'll see your active hackathon right there, fresh and ready. That feeling of seeing your name in there, honestly, it hits different. Now, when you're ready to submit your project, go to the My Hackathons page, hit the submit button, and fill in the details: your project title, description, GitHub repo link, live URL, demo video URL, and any additional notes for the judges. Give the judges context, make it easy for them to understand your vision. Then submit. After submission, the judges will review your work and the best ones will be rewarded. There's also a teams page where you can create a brand new team or check out the teams you've already joined. Building a great team is honestly half the battle in a hackathon. So use this feature well. And on the profile page, you can edit your personal details and change your password anytime. Keep everything up to date. And that's a complete walkthrough of the ATH Hackathon platform. It's honestly one of the most well built hackathon platforms out there. Clean design, smooth experience, and everything you need under one roof. If you haven't signed up yet, what are you waiting for? Your next big win could literally be one hackathon away. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.